Welcome to Analytics with Nags. In this video, we will see how to configure, or basically we are going to schedule refresh of your Power BI reports published in report server, and how to apply a security, how you can secure your reports. That is the prime focus of this video. Before heading to our topic, this channel contains $1,250 content, free content, and it is $100,000 INR worth that covers Power BI, MSBI, SQL, as well as basics of Azure. Please utilize this free content, share this channel with friends and colleagues. Let's begin our today's topic. So we already published our report, so it's in the sales folder right now, and you can do the configuration over here. That is nothing you can see here, just the properties, and here is the important thing over here. Here you need to provide your username and password. Unless you provide your username password, this tab won't be enabled, this will be grayed out. Just now I provided my credential, that's why it's saying it's fine, working fine. You need to test connection, then schedule refresh. So those who are not sure what is this all about, actually, like this Power BI report pointing to a database, and this database should keep on updating, right? The new data that comes in. So the new data has to be appeared in the Power BI as well, the incremental data. So it's not incremental refresh, whatever data in the up-to-date data in the database, everything will be reprocessed in the Power BI. So how it will do, it will be scheduled every day. So this is the main purpose of this scheduled refresh, those who don't know what I'm doing right now. So just create schedule plan, and you can say edit schedule when you want to run it. I want to run daily, I want to exclude Sundays, do not run on Sundays, or repeat after this many days, something like that, right? I want to start at 4 a.m. that's it. So this you can set, and you can stop on particular date as well. So this runs every day except on Sunday. Just apply. You can check it out once it got refreshed. Then comes to the security part. Let me walk you through how you can apply the security. So this is very simple, the schedule refresh part, and for that you need to ensure your agent is running. So because it creates some agent job here, I think so agent should be up and running. You need to ensure that. So that's it about your schedule refresh. It is very simple. You need to schedule a refresh by report. It's not by dataset or report. I mean, unlike in cloud, you need to refresh a dataset, something like that. So here everything is a report. That's okay. Let's move on to the security part, the second part of it. So here the security can be applied at the two level. One is at the folder level. As I said before, the folders are nothing but you consider as a workspace. Here you can apply a security, manage security here. So in this case what happens is, like, I have given Nags as the user. So this user can have all the access to your reports. So he can be what are the different rights you can see here. He can be a browser, that is a viewer, content manager, my reports, publisher, report builder. So these are the different roles you can assign the users. So you can add a user at the folder level with different roles. So this is one of the important thing you should aware of. So once you given at the folder level, these reports, whatever reports, can inherit that rights. So you can see now, you can go to security tab. So whatever I given at the folder level, those things will be applicable at the report level. If you do not want to do such thing, you can customize this security. So let me show that one over here. In CRM, you can see I have not given anyone access. Okay, so the CRM contains, this folder contains CRM folder. You can see from here I'm going to back again. The CRM folder contains two reports, that first report and test report. Right now you have a security that is inherited from the particular what do you call from the folder. Now I'm going to customize the first report. Before that, I will show you what is the security rights in the test. So even here it is the customize security, that is inherit from the folder. Now I will customize this to add okay, I have customized this, so this will no longer inherit any of the features from the CRM. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is, now I will add at the folder level some users. Let's say customize, add user. I will add Nags. I have only few users now, so this I have added at the folder level, the CRM Nags. You can go and check the test upload, which is inheriting the future. Now Nags appeared here, whereas if you go at the first report, which we have overwritten, that the Nags will not appear here. Why? Because we choose the customize. So now you can see here, use same security as a parent folder. When you, there is a way you can switch back. So once you switch back here, once you refresh, security Nags will appear. So this is the important thing you should understand. Either you can give the access at the folder level, so under reports under this folder inherit that, right? Otherwise you can customize by report. Mostly it is recommended to provide at the folder level. It is easy to manage. This is the one important aspect I want to highlight. So as you can see here, manage folders. I already told you what are the different rights. You can walk you through what report rights people can have, so you can control the entire administration over here. So this is the folder level security, manage folders. I hope this is the things. And one last thing I want to highlight is like site settings. Here you can have a different name for your report server, and how much timeout should be there. So these are the mostly admin should have the access. So if you give people with different rights, they will not allow to see these features. So you can upload your icons, branding icon here, that will start appearing here. Then as I said before, you can create a shared schedule. Once you create it here, this schedule can be used by multiple reports. So that is the shared schedule. Then here you can add your group admin or the browser at the server level. So this is the security tab, site settings. Then here you can have the this is the place you can have the subscriptions. So this will be automatically emailed. So I will let you know why this is disabled, how you can enable it. There is some document related to that, why it is how you can enable it. Okay, let me come back on the upcoming videos. So that's it about some of the quick configuration usually people do in the report server. As I said before, report server is very limited options. Only you can manage the data sources and only the security. Apart from that, a admin will do the configuration at the initial level. Mostly you will manage only with the security and the data sources. That's it about configuration. We will check it out what next in our upcoming videos. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries. Do remember that data is your asset.